Waiting in a dental practice waiting area can be a little boring, but there are a few productive things that you can think before you go in for the consultation, which will help you in making your consultation really productive and that can answer all your questions. First is be very transparent with your dentist about your chief concerns. If your chief concerns are cosmetic, if your chief concerns are functional, if you're struggling with some part of your smile which you feel that should be fixed. So be very open about your chief concerns, because if you tell the dentist about your chief concerns, the treatment planning can be done accordingly. The second most important thing is do discuss the options, because sometimes as a dentist, I see patients where I feel like the patient only wants to go for one option because that's the only option they know. So discussing the options with your dentist, whether you want fixed braces or whether you expect the braces that are very discreet and go at the back of your teeth or Invisalign. So do discuss all the options with your dentist. Third most important thing is the timeline of treatment. So or what timeline you have in your mind. That's also very important, because sometimes we see the patients believe that some of the treatments might take 2 or 3 months' time. In 2 or 3 months' time, the teeth can only displace. The teeth cannot actually move. So having the details about the timeline and be realistic about it is also a very important factor. Talking about the retention, because every orthodontic treatment, whether that's removable braces or the fixed braces, will require mandatory retention in the end. So do discuss the options of retainers with your dentist during your consultation. Last but not the least, the cost, because that's one of the very uncomfortable discussions. Sometimes we feel shy about asking that. So discussing the details of every single treatment in terms of the cost and knowing the payment plan options or the finance options will be also quite important. So there are the things that you can ask, make some notes before you go and see the consultation, so your consultation is as fruitful as you expect and help you making a choice.